Hey guys, welcome back to SolidWorks Knowledge Live Practice Model tutorial series. In this video, we are going to design the simple machine parts you can see in your screen. This is the model that we are going to design in this video. Here we are going to create a cosmetic thread and also we will be using some hole wizard features. So let's open a part first. Click on the new part and go for the OK. So here you can see the by default unit is millimeter gram second. So just keep it millimeter gram second only. I will select here the right plane and go for the sketch. I'll just make a simple sketch which is like this. Go like this, like this, like this, come down like this. Now I need to go for the dimension here. So click on the dimensions. So first I will be giving the height. I will be giving here 14. So this dimension is 14 and we need to give this dimension which is 1.5 mm. Now we need to give this dimension which is 4 and we have to give here this dimensions. So for that I will just do one thing here. I will convert into construction geometry and then I will be giving here one dimension from here to here and this dimension is 16 like this. Now go for the mirror entities. I will choose here this and this mirror about this center line and just go with the OK. So come out from the sketch and go for the extrude and choose here mid plane and give the extruded length which is 20. Just go with the OK. Now you can see here your model is looking like this, but we need to go for the fillet and I will go for this here called full round fillet. So I will start from this face and to this face and just go with the OK. You can mirror this also or else you can just go with the, I will just mirror this, or you can just go for fillet once again. Click on this in the same way, this face and to this face and just go with the OK. Now you see here your model is looking like this. Now I need to go for the sketch to this face, make it normal to the plane. I will create a circle here and I will be giving the diameter of that circle which is 10. Go with the OK. If you want you can convert into radius because few portion of this circle we need to trim it out. You can give here the relation from here to here which is vertical. You have to give here one more relation, this and this having the relation tangent. Then just select a line and draw a sketch which is like this. So here I need to give here this relation and this tangent. It has already taken the tangent, no issue. Now I will be giving here one dimension from here to here which is 8 mm like this. I will go for convert entities. I'll select this edge and I'll go for the convert entities. Now you can go for the mirror also, or else you can draw the same line once again on other side. So I will use the mirror operation. So go for the mirror, select this line and just take this like this and go for mirror. Click on the trim and just trim this portion and this inner portion. Now you see here your sketch is getting fully defined. Just come out from the sketch and go for the extruded boss base and extrude it up to 3 mm and just go with the OK. Now you see here I'm going to use here hole wizard command. So go for this hole wizard. You can see, click on the hole wizard and go for this here state tab and here we need to choose metric and symmetric, and I'll be choosing here, let it be like a M8 and pitch 1. I'll choose here up to next only, and here I'm going to choose this option here like this. So go for the position here and click on this face anywhere, press escape and just go select this edge and give the relation concentric and just go with the OK. Now you can see here your thread is ready. Now you see here this portion is visible here. Generally it won't be visible, so we need to keep some features on, that is called cosmetic thread. So I will just show you how to keep it on. So for that you need to go for the option. Under the option you have the document properties, then come down, you have option here detailing, click on the detailing. You have here this option shaded cosmetic thread. So if you keep this option on, then only it will appear like this. Now we need to go for the fillet here, click on the fillet, and we need to go for this constant size fillet, and here I need to give the fillet radius 1 and I need to choose this edge. You can see here it's getting selected along the tangency continuity, just go with the OK. Now you see here your model is looking like this. Now again I need to go for this hole, click on the hole wizard. Now I need to create here one countersink, click on this. You need to come down, you can see here it's already selected and symmetric. I need to specify the parameters. Here I need to choose the diameter. So come down here, I'll customize this. Instead of choosing here M8 like this, I will come down and I will use the customize options. I need here this diameter 5 mm, this diameter 4 mm, and this diameter 5 mm, and this angle is 50, and go for the position and click on this face. Here I need to do one thing here. I need to define the end condition, I mean the depth. So you can see here I'll just go with the through all and go for the position, click over here. I will just choose this point and go with the OK. If you want, you can check this, it is exactly in the center. So now you can see here your model is getting ready. So guys, hope you have enjoyed this tutorials. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get such type of more videos on SolidWorks and other CAD software. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and happy learning.